Maserati MC20 isn't just another Italian supercar. It's a declaration, a moment when the Trident brand looked back at its racing heritage, its lost glory, and decided to rise again. Every curve, every vent, every stitch inside the MC20 represents the rebirth of a legend, a machine built not just for speed but for soul. When you first see it, the MC20 feels different. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. The proportions are clean, the lines tight and precise. From the front, it wears the new Maserati face proudly. A low, sculpted nose with the signature grille framed by delicate LED headlights that stretch outward like blades. The bodywork is smooth yet muscular, designed not by excess but by aerodynamic necessity. Air flows through the sculpted intakes on the sides, feeding the engine and shaping the downforce. Everything is purposeful, everything functional, yet the result is undeniably beautiful. Those butterfly doors open upward like a statement, elegant, confident, and unmistakably exotic. Each movement of the hinge reveals an interior sculpted for one purpose: to connect the driver to the machine. This is not an overly digital cockpit. It's simple, tactile, and focused. The carbon fiber tub forms the spine of the entire structure, keeping weight low and rigidity high. The driving position is near perfect, low, centered, and commanding. You feel cocooned within a space that blends performance intent with Italian artistry. Slip inside, and the first thing that strikes you is the balance between racing simplicity and luxury precision. Two digital displays sit ahead, one for the driver, one for infotainment, surrounded by Alcantara, carbon fiber, and subtle metallic accents. There are no gimmicks here, no unnecessary drama, just purposeful beauty. The steering wheel, wrapped in leather with carbon inserts, carries the start button in bright red, a nod to racing tradition. Press it, and the engine awakens not with a scream, but with a deep mechanical pulse that builds into something ferocious. At its heart lies Maserati's own masterpiece, the Nettuno engine. A 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that produces 621 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque. It's a power plant born from Formula One inspiration, featuring a pre-chamber combustion system that allows explosive performance and instantaneous throttle response. The sound is pure theater, not loud for the sake of being loud, but composed, powerful, and emotional. With an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox sending power to the rear wheels, the MC20 rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just about 2.9 seconds and continues to a top speed of over 202 Nm. On the move, the MC20 feels alive, light, responsive, and balanced. The steering is razor-sharp, communicating every contour of the road, while the chassis delivers confidence at any speed. Maserati has struck a rare harmony, a supercar that dances through corners with precision yet glides over roads with grace. The carbon fiber monocoque gives it stiffness and lightness, while adaptive suspension ensures comfort doesn't disappear in pursuit of performance. It's that dual nature that defines the MC20, thrilling when you want it, calm when you need it. On the highway it feels composed, like a grand tourer wearing a supercar suit. But on a racetrack, the MC20 reveals its true personality, raw, focused, and exhilarating. The balance between front and rear is near perfect. The brakes inspire absolute confidence, and the throttle responds like a trigger. Switch into Corsa mode and everything sharpens. Shifts become instant. Exhaust opens wide, suspension stiffens, and the MC20 becomes something primal. The sound behind you grows into a metallic roar that fills the cabin and echoes every pulse of the engine. Visually, it's stunning from every angle. The sculpted rear end with its twin exhaust outlets, the thin LED taillights, and the carbon diffuser give it a purposeful stance. The subtle Maserati script across the rear deck reminds you this isn't just a car, it's a revival. Even the paint finishes are works of art, with unique metallic hues like Bianco Audace and Giallo Genio showcasing how light interacts with every line. Under sunlight, it glows with depth and craftsmanship that few others can match. Inside, the craftsmanship continues, Italian elegance expressed through simplicity. Every stitch, every piece of trim feels intentional. The seats, wrapped in Alcantara and leather, hold you firmly without sacrificing comfort. The ambient lighting, the minimalist switchgear, and the precision machining all speak to a brand rediscovering what it means to be truly Maserati. And that's what makes the MC20 special. It's more than a performance car. It's a comeback. It's Maserati saying to the world, we still know how to make something breathtaking. It's not chasing trends or mimicking others. It's authentic, emotional, and purely Italian. In a world filled with hybrid systems and electric complexity, the MC20 remains pure. A mechanical, analog connection between human and machine. Every sound, every vibration, every movement feels intentional. A celebration of driving in its most emotional form. It's a supercar that doesn't just deliver performance numbers, it delivers an experience. When you look at it from the outside, top down, sunset reflecting off its curves, you see something more than a car. You see a symbol of revival. Maserati has built not just a machine of speed, but a monument to passion, to Italian engineering, artistry, and soul. The Maserati MC20 starts around $250,000 in the US, depending on options. But for those who understand what it represents, rebirth, individuality, and heritage, its true value lies far beyond the price tag. This is a car that doesn't just return Maserati to the supercar stage. It redefines what the Trident stands for in the modern era: power, elegance, and emotion.